Welcome to EasyKnowHow. If you want to share an Instagram link on your website, in printed media, or elsewhere, and want to make it easy for people to access, you're in luck. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to generate a QR code link to an Instagram post. Now, let's get started to create a QR code link to an Instagram post. First, make sure you've updated your Instagram app to the newest version. Then, open the Instagram app and go to the post. You'd like to create a QR code for now. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post in the menu that appears at the bottom. Select the QR code option. This will generate a QR code that links directly to the post you've selected. Tap one of the colored dots to change the color theme of your QR code. Tap Save to Camera Roll to save an image of the QR code you've generated. Then you can use that image wherever you'd like. When someone scans the QR code, they'll be taken directly to the Instagram post you link to. That's all it takes to create a QR code for an Instagram post. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel Easy Know How. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.